Welcome back to Just a Minute, Just a Mishnayos. This is Mishnayos of the Nishmas, Freda Basrachal, and the Schus of Erev Yitzchak Ben Gila, and their frost, their Basrivish, their Fush Shlema. So Mesachas Gittin Perik Tes, Mishnah Chas and Mishnah Tes, Get Sheksava Ivris, the Eid of Yavanis. So now here we have a case where the get was written in Lashon HaKodesh, but the witnesses signed in Greek. Yavanis the Eid of Ivris, or the get was written in Greek and it was signed in Lashon HaKodesh. Eid Echad Ivri ve'Eid Echad Yavani. One of the witnesses signed in Lashon HaKodesh, one signed in Greek. Ksav Sefer ve'Eid Kasher. Or the Sefer who wrote it was one of the witnesses, and there was one other witness. So in all these cases, the get's Kasher. Ish Pliny Eid Kasher. So when you write the get, the witness has to say, the witness has to write so and so, the son of so and so, who is a witness. So if he just wrote Ish Pliny Eid, if he just wrote, let's say Ruvain is a witness, so without saying his father's name or where he's from, so kasher, it's still kasher. Ben ish pliny eid kasher. If he says the son of so and so without saying his actual name is a witness, so it's kasher. It's kasher. Ish pliny ben ish pliny v'laikas eid kasher. If he says so and so the son of so and so without saying that he's the witness, so also over there the get's kasher. V'kachai nekiyah hadash Yerushalayim Eisen, and the nekiyah hadash who lived in Yerushalayim, that's what they would do, because they would write They would write it like that in short terms. Kasav chanichasa v'chanichasa kasher. If instead of the husband and wife's actual names, they wrote like their nicknames, so then the get is still kasher because we know who it's referring to. Get me'usash b'Yisrael kasher. We know that there's cases where you can force the husband to give the wife a get. So if a beis din of Yisraelim forced him to give the get, a Jewish beis din, kasher. So then the get's kasher. Ubagayim pasal. But if non-Jews force him to give the get, it's pasal. Ubagayim chayvtin oisev v'amrulai. But beis din can use non-Jews. They can get the non-Jews to force it to him. But they have to say to him, "Asay mashi Yisrael amrim lecha v'kasher." Do what the Gaim can force him to do it, but they have to say, do what this beis din is telling you to do, and in that case, then if he gives the get is kasher. Mishnah Tes Yatza Shema Ba'ir Mekudeshes. If a rumor goes around that a woman is engaged, Mekudeshes, the first stage of marriage, Hariz Mekudeshes, so she has like a chazaka that she's considered Mekudeshes, those kiddushin. Megureshes, if a rumor gets out that she's divorced, so Reza Magrasha, so she has a chazaka, she's considered as if she's divorced. As long as there isn't a masla. What's an masla? Ezra masla. Giresh ish plainis ishtar tnai. If a rumor goes out that he divorced her with a condition, that her husband divorced her with a condition, or zara kla kiddusha, or a rumor goes out that her husband threw her kiddushin to her to be Mekadisha, Safik Karavla, Safik Karavlai, and we don't know who it was closer to. So Zayas Amasla, that's an Amasla because it's not a solid rumor. So in that case, when it's not a solid rumor, it doesn't count as if she's divorced or engaged. And those are these Mishnayos.